Dubai never fails to impress when it comes to giving its residents with a luxurious lifestyle. Within its boundaries are some of the most expensive houses on the planet. A number of ultra-luxurious villas can be found across the Emirate, each one unrivaled in terms of design, amenities, and setting. Hey everyone, this is Troy here. Today, we're going to take a look inside the 5 most expensive houses in Dubai. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 5. Dorchester Collection Penthouse. Price around $23 million. This opulent 5-bedroom penthouse apartment is located at the residences at Dorchester Collection. This apartment has an incredible 17,712 square feet of living space and an outstanding sense of design thanks to the famed Parisian design studio Gilles et Boissier. This magnificent apartment, which has oak flooring in all of the main rooms and marble bathrooms, cost more than 85 million dirhams. The interior palette is generally neutral and pleasant, with furniture meticulously chosen to create precisely the right ambiance. The lowermost level, on the 30th floor, features a massive double living area and an open display kitchen with branded Italian design and professional-grade appliances from Gaggenau and Sub-Zero. This open space leads to a spacious terrace with a private pool. The terrace wraps around the floor and is accessible from the formal dining room as well as the ensuite guest bedroom with a walk-in closet. This floor is completed by a maid's room and a service kitchen that links to the main kitchen. As a guest at the Dorchester Collection, you will have access to some of the most luxurious amenities available in any Dubai hotel. A gym and yoga studio, landscaped gardens, a rooftop infinity pool overlooking the skyline of downtown Dubai, a private event room, and concierge and valet services are among the amenities. Number 4. Emirates Hills Villa. Price around $24.5 million. This one-of-a-kind and trendy Arabic-style mansion villa is a stunning luxury home finished to the highest standards. The home has 3 stories and a great central atrium entry that leads into the 3 reception rooms. There is also an ensuite guest bedroom, a private study, 2 dining spaces, a big family room, and a fully equipped gourmet kitchen on the ground level. There are 6 ensuite bedrooms upstairs, including a large master suite with a lake view balcony. A home theater, games area, gym, steam room, and shower are all located on the lower basement floor. The villa's outside is as beautiful, with a landscaped garden, a barbecue area, a summer kitchen, a children's play area, and a private heated swimming pool. Emirates Hills is one of Dubai's most wanted residential places. It is a destination of distinction and class, as it is home to a high level of luxury property owners. The community features a variety of services and facilities, in addition to attractively landscaped paths and open spaces. It is also quite convenient for getting into and out of major city regions. Number 3. One Mansion. Price around $32.6 million. One Mansions in Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum City offers its residents exquisite living while also providing them with a sense of green tranquility. It is possible to stroll to the majority of the city's most popular attractions from a condominium complex. A clubhouse, retail stores, cafes, cycling and running lanes, and a 7-kilometer-long crystal blue lagoon with 14-kilometer-long shoreline, which is on course to become the world's largest man-made lagoon, all contribute to its success. This villa cost roughly 120 million dirhams. That's a lot of money. So, what you get for that amount of money is a house that is distinguished by its attractive interiors and cutting-edge technological features. Open floor designs, natural light, and sliding doors are also included in the design of the homes. The elegance of Arabic architecture is coupled with a touch of modernism in this palace, which is one of the modern Arabic mansions. A high level of usefulness, as well as cultural aesthetics from the Arabian world, are combined in the design of these houses, which are intended for large families. Number 2. Emirates Hills Villa. Price roughly $34 million. This expertly crafted villa is a one-of-a-kind luxury feature in a spectacular position, located in the center of the prestigious Emirates Hills neighborhood. This villa is palatial in size and boasts a sophisticated interior that features the best in Italian concepts and craft. The home, designed by a popular Italian architect, has both formal and casual living areas, all of which have been finished with a no-money-wasted approach to ensure the maximum luxury and comfort. This opulent house cost roughly 125 million dirhams. The entire architecture, both inside and out, has been modified for luxurious parties and flexible modern life. It has a grand staircase, a custom chandelier, a study, an elevator, and a private gym. There are also 2 kitchens, 8 bedrooms, and 9 bathrooms in the house. Furthermore, the villa comes with its own private pool and barbecue area outside, both of which overlook the golf course, and the entire residence boasts breathtaking views of the golf course and the Dubai cityscape. Because of its fantastic position in Emirates Hills, the villa is an excellent alternative for luxury property investors and buyers. This villa offers a wonderful position, near to the Montgomery Golf Course with its clubhouse, fairways, and restaurants, as well as being in one of Dubai's most sought-after residential districts. Individuals with a high net worth who love the finer things in life will not want to miss out on this luxurious house. Number 1. Atlantis, the Royal Triplex Penthouse. Price $49 million. One of the most expensive penthouses in the world, the Royal Atlantis penthouse on Palm Jumeirah costs over 180 million dirhams. The white sand island village didn't exist 20 years ago. The Royal Atlantis is situated on the crescent of the palm tree rather than the truck or leaves. Its striking architecture is hard to ignore. Its structure defies explanation. The floors remind me of a half-finished Jenga game. Vacant blocks of the building create an almost lacy pattern of free air. The penthouse's accessible living, dining, and kitchen spaces are lit by floor-to-ceiling windows. There is also a study, a gym, a sauna, and a steam room. A maid's room and a driver's room are also available. The interiors contain 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Marble, carpeted, and wood floors are all included. To be exact, the total living area of this opulent penthouse is 25,206 square feet, including balcony and patio. The penthouse includes 4 parking spaces. The Royal Atlantis includes common pools, but the penthouse has its own. The private pool area features both open-air and shaded sitting places. The penthouse overlooks the Dubai skyline and the water, so, of course, the view is super cool. With that being said, here we come to the end of our video. I hope you like this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.